What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about the altcoin season and why it feels like it's been delayed. In actuality, it really has been. When we take a look at major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and XRP and BNB, they're struggling to hit their all-time highs. And they've been doing so for a while now. I mean, Bitcoin, it hit not only 75,000, it broke above $100,000. With Ethereum and these other tokens, they're either trying to get that all-time high or just barely getting above it, right? So big question is why? And you might be thinking that the money's going into Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's price is up a lot, so the money's going there. In actuality, it's a different story. Crypto, every year that goes by, we're seeing more and more tokens launching. We're seeing new avenues where people can launch their own tokens basically by just clicking a button. And a lot of these tokens are meme coins. And there's hype that's around that, yes. But the money goes in, and a lot of projects, it doesn't take very long until the project crashes. So people are basically trying to get in, and then they get out. And there's a lot of people that are getting burned. There's a lot of scams that are out there. You guys need to be careful. But when we talk about centralized exchanges, what seems to be happening is that they're choosing to go the route of things that are meme tokens. They're like themed around politics. We saw that a lot going up to the election, even like after the election here, we're still seeing a lot of discussion going around those things. And it's because when you're in exchange, when you're centralized exchange, right, they're going to get trading fees. So for them as a business, they want to have new users. They want to have people proactively trading on their platform, and going to a centralized exchange can make it very easy for newcomers to crypto. It makes it very convenient. Plus, if you're trying to sell it, you want to get the money moved to your own bank account. It makes that avenue also very easy, right? So here's where we're at. I think that we're moving in a direction where a lot of the money is starting to get tired. They're getting tired of there being literally millions of new tokens that are launching that don't have anything unique to them. And I think that people are going to catch on. They're going to start focusing on cryptocurrencies that feel like they have more of a specific purpose, more of a proper application. And that might be something like XRP. So let's actually go move over here to the price chart for XRP. You guys can see on the daily, there was a huge sell-off that took place yesterday, right? It dropped down quite a bit, actually pulled itself back up here, and then now it's starting to make a bit of a run up again. And also just from a couple other TA points, on the daily, this is above that VWAP, that purple line. So that's a really bullish sign. The RSI itself is also still doing quite well. This is on the daily side. It's a little bit close to the top end there. The moving average itself is also kind of up there near the top, but we're seeing a lot of momentum. We're seeing a lot of movement that we hadn't really been seeing before, and that shows that there's this shift in the dynamics. It shows that there's more trading volume, more people that are starting to look to these projects where they can feel more of a sense of reliability. Right? Because when we talk about these meme tokens, who's really making profits off of this stuff? We got the exchanges like we talked about, they're getting their trading fees. You've got the developers that are probably getting a percentage cut off of what's being either made, either they're being hired or they're getting it through the actual tax fee structure of the token itself, like the buy-sell tax side. And then there's also probably insiders for a lot of these projects. So a lot of people are getting burned, right? And having projects that have either been out longer and shown themselves to have more credibility, something like XRP, or other projects that are just starting to get themselves grounded, but they're actually showing a lot of practical application. Those can draw a lot of eyes because they feel like a better place to put your money. It feels like something that's not just going to be real quick money in, real quick money out type situation. If they're building something that they're trying to actually develop for the future, that has a future, people might say, I want to start looking there more. Now, I'm not saying that meme coins are going to go away. Meme coins are going to be here. They're going to have a place. And I mean, things like Dogecoin, right? We go take a look at that. Dogecoin is still a top 10 cryptocurrency. So I don't see Doge I don't see meme coins, I should say, going away anytime soon. I don't think that they're ever going to go away unless there's some major change in regulations. But as it is right now, there's been so many cryptocurrencies that have been released, and a lot of people have been trying to find ways to get rich quick. And guess what? So many people are getting burned. At some point, people are going to have to try something different, or else they're not going to have any money anymore. So seeing projects starting to make some major climbs like XRP, it's up over 12% in the last 24 hours. It's the #3 cryptocurrency. I mean, it's inching its way closer towards the market cap of Ethereum. I mentioned this in past videos. XRP at one point was the #2 cryptocurrency. XRP is getting really close to finishing with their court cases or the major court case, I should say, with the SEC, and with the new administration having a new head for the SEC, it creates an ample opportunity here. So I've covered XRP a lot on this channel. I personally think that this is one that people should keep an eye on and take into consideration. Now, we can take a look here from Crypto Michael over on Twitter, and he's posting saying that XRP has now completed a V reverse for the dip. This is on the 2-hour time frame. It's much stronger than every other coin, including Bitcoin. You're witnessing vertical accumulation. You don't own enough XRP. All right, well, look. When we take a look over here, this is a daily chart, right? It had a green day yesterday, but that's after a hard-fought battle. The new day, it's still making gains. Let's go ahead and move over to that 2-hour time frame that was just being discussed from that Twitter post. You can actually zoom out a little bit here, and sure enough, you see that V pattern, right? And off of that V pattern, we're seeing it have a little bit of a further climb, and it's trying to break into that next major zone, right? So moving on up. So here's the thing. Trying to break above that all-time high. It has the room. It has the potential. Right now, it is in that upper section of the Fibonacci. Going into the price discovery zone, the sky is the limit. These next few months are going to be absolutely critical. Now, I will say this. Something that you should keep in mind is that we are days away from potentially major trade wars that are happening with the United States. Donald Trump has talked about setting tariffs up with other countries. I was hearing a 25% potentially February 1st with Canada and with Mexico. These could have major implications, major ripples, no pun intended, on the economy and how people are deciding to spend their money, where to put their money. Okay? So going into February, things I think could be very rocky. And just because you start to see crypto moving here over the next few days, don't totally buy into that narrative. Give it a little bit more time and see how things play out. I would definitely err a lot of caution right now, but I think that there's a lot of possibility moving forward with the upcoming court case. And I think the XRP itself is a great example of where people might be looking for something that's a little bit more reliable rather than just trying to yeet into all these different meme coins. I want to know what you guys think about that, though, so share your thoughts with us down in the comments below. And last little bit, guys, I'm over on a platform called Blue Sky. I am trying to grow a following there. Would love it if you go drop a follow. I'm almost to 25 followers. I'm at Crypto Atlas. And also, if you are looking for an exchange where there's no KYC and they have leverage trading, you can check out Margex. There's a link down in the description below. You can do up to 50x on crypto like XRP, but you can go as high as 100x on crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum. And you can buy crypto here. They have copy trading where you can mirror people's trades. You can get a bonus up to $10,000. And it's available in a lot of different regions. If it's not available in your region, some people might decide to use a VPN. That choice is up to you. And again, you can find that link down in the description below. So let me know, guys, what you think about the altcoin season. Let me know what you guys think about XRP right now. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Feel free to share this video with somebody that you know. Helps the channel grow. It helps them let them know what's going on with the market and why things are the way that they are. and what more than likely is going to end up happening next. So I'm quite bullish overall, but over the next few days, depending on what decisions are made, it could change things dramatically. All right. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters as well as my YouTube members. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.